Wondering who's been checking out your profile on poppolive? In this video, I'll show you how to see your recent visitors in just a few taps. Start by opening the poppolive app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, look for the option labeled Visitors and tap on it. This section will display a list of users who have recently visited your profile. The most recent visitors usually appear at the top, and you can scroll to see more if available. Keep in mind that this feature may vary slightly depending on your app version or region, but most users should see it clearly under their profile options. And that's how you can easily check who's viewed your profile on poppolive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment if you have any questions.